Welcome back to art class. Today, when you get your Eiffel Tower drawing back, you're going to find a messy mat and a Sharpie. And if you did not finish this part last week, then you are going to be tracing over all of your pencil lines with a Sharpie. If you have any pencil lines still showing that you also want to erase, then you can find a large pink eraser and erase any unwanted pencil lines. You can also use your Sharpie to write your name somewhere inside of your cloud. Next, we're going to find a gray crayon at our desk. We're going to color in the inside sections of the Eiffel Tower with the gray crayon. Then we're going to move on to our dots. Just like Seurat did in his paintings, he used a bunch of tiny dots. This part is going to take some time because we do want to fill up most all of the white areas of our paper with dots. You can use the light color blue or the dark color blue, and you don't have to rinse your brush, or your Q-tip. You don't have to change your Q-tip out. We're going to be sticking with the same Q-tip the entire time. I would start with the blue because that's going to take the most amount of time today, is just doing the blue sky. Try to avoid adding dots on top of the Eiffel Tower, and try to avoid adding dots on top of the clouds. You want those to stay white, and you want your Eiffel Tower to stay gray. You can add dots in between the Eiffel Tower where you might see through the Eiffel Tower. You can add several dots just by one dip. So just by dipping it once, I can make maybe about 5 or 6 dots before having to dip it again. And then you can go in with some of the darker color blue and add more dots. You want to fill up most of the white areas of the paper with some kind of dots. After you're done with the blue, then you can move on to the grassy area at the bottom. Like I said, you do not have to change your Q-tip or get a new Q-tip. You can go straight into the green with your blue Q-tip and it will be okay. It might look a little bit blue at first, but that part will rub off. And Seurat used to do this all the time. He would actually put colors next to each other, like a blue and a yellow, and they would be so close that to our eye, they would look green because they would blend together. You're going to fill in the entire area at the bottom with green dots. Like I said, this will take some time. You do have 2 different colors you can choose from. You have a lighter green and a darker green. When you're done, you're going to throw your Q-tip away in the trash can. And then you're going to carefully take your artwork to the drying rack.